Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable video autoplay on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. I'm gonna open up Bumble. Well guys, as you can see, this is Bumble. Right now we simply want to disable video autoplay. Let's simply go to profile right here, the buttons at the bottom left, and right here is the profile page. Well, there are lots of options like buying Bumble Premium, going to your profile settings, but right now let's simply click on this gear-like icon right here, that is settings. This is the settings page. Do note that there are lots of options, but right now we're simply gonna focus on video autoplay. The button's right here, it's right under the location tab. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options, whether you want autoplay to happen on Wi-Fi and cellular data, on Wi-Fi only, or never autoplay videos. I'm gonna click on the third option. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable video autoplay in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.